Why is listening so important? Listening is the foundation of effective communication. When you listen actively, you absorb information, understand different perspectives, and develop empathy towards others. In the context of language learning, listening is the key to improving your pronunciation, vocabulary, and overall comprehension skills. How can I become a better listener in English? The first step is to make listening a regular habit. Challenge yourself to dedicate at least 20 minutes each morning and evening to listen to English content. This consistency will help you train your ears to comprehend different accents, sentence structures, and vocabulary. Where can I find good English content to listen to? There are numerous resources available to you. You can start by exploring podcasts, audiobooks, or even English radio programs. Select topics that interest you, as it will keep you engaged and motivated throughout the listening process. Should I just passively listen, or is there a more effective way to approach it? An active approach to listening is highly recommended. Rather than simply letting the words wash over you, try to actively engage with the content. Take notes, jot down unfamiliar words or phrases, and try to summarize what you've heard. This way, you'll not only improve your listening skills but also develop your speaking and writing abilities. Is there anything else I can do to enhance my listening skills? Immersing yourself in English-speaking environments is immensely beneficial. You can join language exchange groups, watch English movies or TV shows, and even engage in conversations with native English speakers if the opportunity arises. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more attuned your listening skills will become. Becoming a good listener is a journey, and it takes time and practice. But with dedication and consistency, you'll notice significant improvements in both your listening and speaking abilities. The art of listening is a powerful tool that will elevate your language skills to new heights. Embrace the beauty of listening, and watch yourself transform into a confident and charismatic English speaker.